In the last few days of the exam, you should be going through the past year topics for each subject, because these are the topics from which questions can be asked. For psychology and psychiatry, I will be discussing the questions that have been asked and what are the topics from which the questions have been asked. So starting with psychology, in psychology 2014, the question was memory that holds information received from sensory register for up to about 30 seconds. So this is a question from the chapter memory. So memory becomes an important topic that you need to revise. In this video, I will not be solving the MCQs, but I am telling you based on the MCQ what topic is important. In 2015, the question was from main method used by structuralists to discover the elementary units of mind. So this is from the first chapter, different schools, that is important. Then 2017, in this defense mechanism, motive remains unaltered, but person substitutes different goal object for original one. So defense mechanisms becomes an important topic. In 2018, again, one question from defense mechanisms was asked. One of the following mature defense mechanism is. Then in 2019, the question was mind and behavior are adaptive. They enable an individual to changing environment. Is which school of psychology? So schools of psychology becomes an important topic. In 2020, the question was again from memory. Short-term memory holds a relatively small amount of information for a short time of dash. Then in 2001, triad of ego, superego and id described by. So it was by Sigmund Freud. So that is it. So the important topics in psychology is first memory, then the schools of psychology, the different defense mechanisms, and the theory by Sigmund Freud about the personality structure. That is important. Now psychiatry, in 2014, no question was asked. In 2015, a question was asked on dementia. So dementia, delirium, these become important topics. In 2016, one question was on schizophrenia. So schizophrenia becomes an important topic. You need to know the different types. You need to know the clinical presentation. And yes. Then in 2016, one question was asked from eating disorders. So you need to know the different types of eating disorders, what will be the clinical presentation, and also in brief you can know what is the pharmacotherapy treatment that is given. In 2017, substance of abuse obtained from plant somniferum. So regarding drug abuse, so in psychiatry there is a chapter on drug abuse. You need to know about the different drugs that can be used. Then in 2019, preoccupation with body diseases is known as. So again, different types of body diseases you need to know. Then in 2020, most common psychiatric comorbidity along with OCD is. So you need to know about the different types of OCDs. There is a table given in which the different types are mentioned. Then about in 2022, one question was on different types of schizophrenia. So that is something that you need to know. Then in 2021, a question was on about hallucinations. So you need to know about those as well. So these are the important topics in psychiatry. You need to know about delirium, dementia, schizophrenia, OCD, drug abuse, different eating disorders.